Splash Dance Petunia. Splash Dance is Danziger's speckled line of petunias. They are all bred and selected to hold their pattern into the heat, and they all will bloom early enough for any market. They are a little bit more on the vigorous side. They've got kind of a mounded habit to them, so they're really well suited for gallons and for hanging baskets. We had 4 as of last year. We had 4 colors, really popular. They've done really well in trials. And now for 2023, we have 5 new colors. My favorite one is the Calypso Cherry, which has got red with a little bit of a pink undertone and has been really popular in advanced trials. We also have 4 other colors. We have the Violet Vogue, Moonwalk, Rumba Rose, and Fuchsia Flamenco. You can tell we like that dancing theme in the color names. It's also really great for combinations. You can do some really creative things with it. So don't forget Splash Dance Petunia.